Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and environment. Back up important files to an external drive or cloud so you can reset without panic. Once done, make recovery media and note software keys and accounts so reinstallation is smoother. Then confirm the PC has a steady power source and is plugged in. Avoid resetting on battery only. You'll now move to the system tools that trigger reset and prepare any account passwords you might need during the process. You'll trigger the reset through settings or the recovery environment. Start settings update and security recovery or boot from recovery media if Windows won't load. When prompted, choose Keep My Files for configuration issues or Remove Everything for deep corruption. Make sure to read options about wiping drives and data encryption. Select the correct drive. Follow on-screen prompts. The process will reboot several times. Once the OS is back, reinstall drivers and run Windows Update to stabilize the system. You finish by restoring backups and reinstalling essential apps and drivers. Verify firmware and BIOS are current. Run quick health checks, SFC/Scano and DISM to repair residual system files and confirm Windows Update completes. If problems remain or reset fails repeatedly, suspect hardware. Run a memory test, check SSD/HDD smart data, and test power stability. If a single troubleshooting tip helps most, boot from a live USB to check hardware independently. You should now have a recovered, working PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.